This guide will help you enable lag spikes in Minecraft for testing or experimentation purposes. Follow these steps carefully to achieve the desired effect. Step 1. Open Minecraft. Launch the Minecraft game on your computer. Ensure that you are using the correct version that you want to modify. Step 2. Access the game's settings. Once in the main menu, click on Single Player or Multiplayer depending on your preference. Then select the world or server you want to modify and click on Edit or Configure. Step 3. Adjust game options. In the game settings, look for the Game Options or World Settings section. Here, you may find options related to performance or game mechanics that can influence lag. Step 4. Modify performance settings. Change the performance settings to lower values. For example, reduce the render distance, turn off smooth lighting, and lower the frame rate limit. These adjustments can help create lag spikes. Step 5. Test the changes. After making the adjustments, enter the game and observe the performance. Move around the world, interact with objects, and monitor for any lag spikes. Adjust the settings further if needed to achieve the desired effect. By following these steps, you can successfully enable lag spikes in Minecraft for your testing needs. Remember to revert your settings back to normal for a smoother gameplay experience afterward.